Sudah.
Oke guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today?
I'm good, Miss.
Good.
How about you, Miss?
I'm feeling good, thank you. Okay. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Let's pray. Begin. Finish. Okay, thank you. Next, I will check attendance list. If I call your name, please raise your hand and say present or I'm here. We're all blue, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Tina,
Present, Miss.
Chacha,
Present.
Radit.
Not here.
Okay,
I
it's
don't know,
okay.
Miss.
Okay. Alright, guys. Anyone know what we're going to learn today?
Procedure text. Sport and health.
Okay. No. Today we are going to talk about procedure tag with a topic sport and health. I think you are familiar with procedure text. Secara umum, what is procedure text?
Text with a step.
Yeah, good job. So, procedure text is tell us how to do something step by step. And how about definition of sport and health?
Sport.
Yeah, what is definition?
Sport is something doing with physical.
Alright, how about the health?
How would health, Eja? Can you help me?
Yeah, okay. Ya, tapi lebih dari itu ya, sport and health itu adalah tentang kebiasaan hidup sehat, physical and mental well-being. Today we will connect about procedural text and sport and health. Jadi bukan cuma tahu hidup sehat, tapi juga kita akan bagaimana sih cara menyampaikan tip-tips tersebut dalam bentuk prosedur text. Okay, are you ready guys?
Ready.
Okay. Okay, before we start our lesson, I will tell you about learning objectives today. First, students are expected to identify contact, main idea, and specific detail from multimodal, health, and sports procedure text. And two, students are expected to express opinions and for healthy habits and demonstrate procedural tips using imperative. And the target, apply imperative sentence and conjunction of sequence confidently in oral cycle. Okay. Now look at the slide carefully. The picture have two habits. What is it? Two habits. What is it?
Happy. A cat and
Yeah.
you.
Okay, very good. So the first picture, what this person doing?
Playing computer.
Yeah. Okay, and the second picture.
Just laying down. Laying
Yeah.
down with letter.
Okay, and the last picture.
Eat more snake.
What exercise class? Okay. So okay. Yeah, that's good. So this is example of bad habits. And if someone does this every day, it can cause back pain and age strain and a lot of physical activity. And when we eat, and I want to ask you, when we eat more snack but exercise less, what the effects to our body?
Fat.
Okay, fat and what is picture, we can see the children eating healthy food, right?
Yeah.
And the second picture, the man jogging, and the next picture, play tennis. And so this is activity for healthy habits can improve stamina and strengthen the immune system and the mental health, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so next we discuss about this. How does the food you consume impact your health?
When if we eat healthy food, our body becomes strong.
Yeah, so good. Yes, healthy food give us nutrition, right? And the second, what do you think people feel the need to lose weight?
because because they want to look better.
Okay, a reason is one reason. Okay, if someone wants to lose weight, can they just say, I want to lose weight without doing anything?
No.
Ya, jadi butuh step by step kan untuk mencapai tujuan tersebut.
Yes.
Oke, jadi so untuk berubah dari bad habits ini ke good habits, we need step by step untuk mencapai tujuan tersebut. Ya,
Yeah.
it's called what is it?
What you call it? What?
Ya,
It's called.
in English, teks yang isinya step by step untuk mencapai suatu tujuan, what is called?
Procedure test.
Procedure text, yes, that's right. So, most part and health can explain using procedure text like how to stay healthy, how to stop bad habits, and how to build good health. So, itu semua adalah contoh dari prosedur text. Okay?
Yeah.
And the next. Wait, okay. Text 1. Rank habits below are 5 healthy habits. So you can look at the list carefully. You can see 5 healthy habits. Your task is simple but critical. You need to rank them from 1 up to 5.
Yeah.
Number 1 means most important and number 5 less important.
Yeah.
Okay, objecting to your opinion. I will give you 3 minutes for this task.
Yeah. That's enough.
Are you finished, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
So number
Yeah.
1 is regular exercise.
Okay, what? Give me the reason.
Is the most important because it's directly train our heart and muscle.
Okay, that's right. And the Hina?
Number 2. Number
Okay.
2. Number 1. Number 2.
What is your opinion?
Number 2
Your
is
opinion.
my opinion
Yeah.
about regular exercise.
Okay, sambil cha-cha.
Yeah, I'm saying with that.
tujuan dari ini, di goal ini mencantumkan tujuan apa yang ingin kamu capai dari membuat teks prosedur itu. And the next material, tool or item needed for the activity. Jadi alat apa yang kamu butuhkan atau apa yang kamu butuhkan untuk aktivitas tersebut. The last step, the sequence of instruction to reach the goal. Jadi kalian bisa menggunakan sequence conjunction or imperative text-nya. Jadi contoh imperatif itu add more veggies or don't sit up too long, drink water, and the sequence conjunction like first, next, then finally. Okay, are you understand? Do you understand? Okay. Now we will watch a short video. Listening. Sorry, listening. So we're listening the audio. You can.
Behavior is the sum of everything we do, and what we do is influenced by who we are, the people around us, and by our environment. In fact, our behavior consists of all the choices we make throughout the day, and of course our habits too. We know that some of our behavior increases the risk of getting ill, while others help us sustain good health, and it's those behaviors we want to stimulate, right? Changing our behavior towards a healthier lifestyle might seem hard, but it's definitely something everybody can do. To change our behavior, we need the ability to do so, the right opportunities, and we need to keep being motivated about it. Scientists have come up with a few handy tips to help us facilitate the process of behavior change. Try and see what works best for you. 1. Set goals, making them specific and realistic, like a 20-minute daily walk, rather than just aiming to walk every day. Step by step. 2. Reflect, more veggies or be more active. Reflection will give you a clearer picture of what to change and how to get there. 3. Make it easier. Simple things like bringing your sports bag to work or having smaller portions can make a big difference. 4. Get support. Tell family and friends and let the support roll in. It might even make them start their own behavior change. 5. Get active. Do something you enjoy. Moving should be fun. Woohoo! 6. Plan. Planning your meals and exercises will reduce stress and make the transition to your new lifestyle smoother. 7. Reward yourself. Set a milestone, and when you reach it, allow yourself a treat or a fun activity. 8. Monitor your progress to encourage yourself, either in a diary or on social media. Changing behavior is rewarding in so many ways. Instant satisfaction, liveliness, and improved social life, and you will also be rewarded later on with better health. Don't postpone. Start changing today.
Okay, after the listening the video, can you answer the task 2? Task 2?
Yeah.
Can I play again this audio?
Yeah, yes, miss.
Okay.
Wait.
we do is influenced by who we are, the people around us, and by our environment. In fact, our behavior consists of all the choices we make throughout the day, and of course, our habits too. We know that some of our behavior increases the risk of getting ill, while others help us sustain good health. And it's those behaviors we want to stimulate, right? Changing our behavior towards a healthier lifestyle might seem hard, but it's definitely something everybody can do. To change our behavior, we need the ability to do so, the right opportunities, and we need to keep being motivated about it. Scientists have come up with a few handy tips to help us facilitate the process of behavior change. Try and see what works best for you. 1. Set goals, making them specific and realistic, like a 20-minute daily walk, rather than just aiming to walk every day. Step by step. 2. Reflect. More veggies or be more active. Reflection will give you a clearer picture of what to change and how to get there. 3. Make it easier. Simple things like bringing your sports bag to work or having smaller portions can make a big difference. 4. Get support. Tell family and friends and let the support roll in. It might even make them start their own behavior change. 5. Get active. Do something you enjoy. Moving should be fun. Woohoo! 6. Plan. Planning your meals and exercises will reduce stress and make the transition to your new lifestyle smoother. 7. Reward yourself. Set a milestone, and when you reach it, allow yourself a treat or a fun activity. 8. Monitor your progress to encourage yourself, either in a diary or on social media. Changing behavior is rewarding in so many ways. Instant satisfaction, liveliness, and improved social life, and you will also be rewarded later on with better health. Don't postpone. Start changing today.
Okay, are you finished, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. The first, what is the main purpose about information from video?
What? Healthier.
The goal, what is the goal?
Make the body, our body,
Yes.
healthier.
Okay. The goal to help people change the behavior into a healthy lifestyle, right?
Yeah.
And what about material and tool
Now,
information from video?
support,
Yeah, support system and what is it?
set goals,
Yeah,
social media,
yeah.
reflection,
Okay, so material and tool like theory or social media, meal and exercise plan and support system.
yeah,
And how about the step?
specific goal,
Yeah, first the set specific goals and
reflection,
okay, reflect on your habits. And the number three.
make a healthy habit easier.
Okay, and the next fourth.
Get sport,
Okay, right. And the number 5.
get active,
Okay, next.
plan your meals and exercise,
Okay, next.
reward yourself,
And the last.
monitor your progress.
Okay, very good. The next, I have a text again about imperative verb action or words command that could be used to give the best on the audio. You can answer the task. I give you 3 minutes or 2 minutes.
Three.
Okay. tell me three imperative verbs based on this audio.
First is set goals,
Yes.
and then the second is get support,
Yeah.
and number three is get active.
Okay, very good. So, how about Chacha? Can you give me the answer?
Get support,
Yeah?
get active,
Yeah?
and reward yourself.
Okay, excellent. So, alright class, I think time is up. I wanna ask you, today what did we learn today?
We learn about
Yeah?
sport and health.
Yeah? And the next?
Procedure test.
Okay. And so, today we learn about procedure text, imperative sentence, and sport and
Health.
health. Okay. We also learn about imperative sentence like drink more water and exercise regularly, and we use consequence conjunction like first, then.
Finally.
Yeah, that's right.
Next.
Okay, and the most importantly, we connected about procedure text and with the real life, especially about sport and healthy.
Yeah.
Okay, alright guys, thank you for your participation today. Let's close our lesson by praying together. Praying begin. Finish. Okay, thank you everyone. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
See you.
Thank you, Miss.
Masih cukup anunya,
Anu.
memorinya.
Masih Bapak, amin. Aman. Aman.
Hanifah.
Hanifah, oke, Mbak Hanifah, thank you. Mbak Hanifah telah menyaksikan proses pembelajaran tentang procedure text, sport and health, ya, oke. Tadi cukup bagus untuk kegiatan awal memakai strategi yang sudah lazim dipakai, yaitu dengan mengawali doa, ya. Dibimbing sendiri ya untuk pertimbangannya efektivitas dari waktu yang ada, ya. Oke. Dan yang kedua tadi cukup bagus, jadi menyampaikan dulu tujuan pembelajaran agar siswa fokus pada pencapaian tujuan pembelajaran tersebut, ya. Karena tujuan pembelajaran tersebutlah yang akan nanti diukur pada akhir proses pembelajaran melalui penggunaan metode atau strategi atau teknik atau bahkan prosedur proses pembelajaran yang dituntut, ya. Oke. Nah, selanjutnya jadi fokusnya juga pada listening ya ini ya, jadi ya pada spoken text yang disampaikan untuk kegiatan awalnya dengan menyampaikan tujuan, kemudian fokus pada judul atau topik atau kajian yang akan dibahas di kelas, jadi mereka akan tahu betul arah kemana pembelajaran ini akan dilakukan, ya. Berikutnya adalah kegiatan inti biasa tadi sudah disampaikan untuk membahas tentang task ya yang akan dikerjakan oleh siswa. Tentunya pembahasan tentang task itu penting sekali di awal agar mereka bersiap untuk melakukan proses pembelajaran dengan cara nanti task itu dikerjakan setelah melakukan kegiatan pendengaran, ya. Mendengarkan dari audio yang diputar. Berapa kali tadi? Dua kali ya, bagus. Jadi diputar 2 kali agar mereka benar-benar paham tentang apa yang mereka dengar, ya. Oke. Kemudian dilakukan pembahasan tentang taks yang ditugaskan oleh guru kepada siswa. Bisa juga yang